Welcome to our webpage. I want to use the opportunity to invite you to our virtual workshop whereby Knitted Polytechnic will be sharing her own experience on how to quickly move all your lessons online and be relevant in this new normal of teaching remotely. Oh yes, we are in the new normal of teaching remotely online. By the way, my name is Daniel Ohere. I am the Dean of the School of ICT, Knitted Polytechnic. Take a few moments to watch this presentation to the end, and at the end of your watching it, there is a button below this video. Click on it to register for the virtual workshop.